Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Nkenna. I am responsible for everything that goes on here. As you guys can tell from the title of today's video, I am going to be doing another wig unboxing. Today we'll be unboxing this unit from Sensationnel. This is their Boss Babe unit. I picked up this unit in a color 1 jet black. That is my color preference. This is a textured lace wig, meaning it is kinky straight friendly. So if you are into that, if you only shop kinky straight units, this is for you. This is from their Curls, Kinks & Co line, and I'm seeing that they're coming out with a lot more units for that line, and that's more directed at people with natural hair that want units that emulate their own hair. And so far I have had nothing but good things to say about units from this line. They really do emulate natural hair. You're gonna be fooling somebody, so I definitely would say that these are at a great price point and you're gonna be fooling somebody. So it's a win-win really. This unit is recommended for all hair types ranging from 3B to 4C. It's made of 100% premium fiber. Again, it's a synthetic unit. It has a deep curved part, so you guys can see that I have the curved part here. The unit does come with baby hairs, however, I didn't really notice them. To be honest, I saw them when I was manipulating the unit, but I didn't use them. So they're there if you want them. You can intensify them or you can ignore them as I did. Typically I stray away from baby hairs. I think they're doing a lot. This has ear to ear soft lace. It says that this can be styled as an updo, but I did not try that out. This is a lace front unit. And finally, this is a hot water set unit. So if you did want to put cold wave rods, whatever it is, any type of rollers, and then dip this in a bowl of hot water to add some curls to it, you definitely could do that. And then as always on the information card, it has care instructions as well as other colors that this unit comes in. I will say that this is one of the very few units that I've seen the model look absolutely gorgeous on, and the unit looks almost the same, if not the same, on me. A lot of times when you get these synthetic units, you look at it on the model, you're like, what the hell is going on there? But then when you put it on yourself, you're like, okay, I can work with this. I can do something with this. So that's one thing for me. I won't review a unit a lot of times because it might look crazy on the model, but it has so much potential. But I thought this instantly looked beautiful. I was like, yes, gotta have it. So just wanted to put that out there. So getting into the cap construction, you guys can see that there is one comb directly surrounding the parting space, and there's this comb that's off to the perimeter. At the bottom, there's an additional comb as well as adjustable straps on both sides. Straight out of the package, this is what the unit looks like. It comes with that customary amount of lace that synthetic units tend to come with. This has a side part. Just to get closer, this is what the side part looks like. And this is it. I am not really a fan of this. I feel like this is a very corporate, I'm going for a job interview type of wig. So those are definitely good to have. Those are good staples to have. However, maybe I'll like this more once I cut the lace off. The lace is really what's throwing me off. And then also I kind of feel like it's a little bit puffy up here at the top. So let me go in, manipulate this, and then I'll come back to you guys at the very end with all of my thoughts, concerns, comments about this unit. All right, so we're back. This is the final look on this unit. Didn't really have to do too much. As you guys can see, I went in and cut out the lace, and that definitely gave this unit a facelift. It was just really throwing me off. As I mentioned, it was throwing me off looking at that lace and then trying to envision how it would look on me. So as you guys can see, this is kind of like a long bob grown out, but honestly it looks very, very natural. As mentioned earlier, this is a kinky straight textured unit, so for all my natural hair girls that want something that looks like their hair, you really want a unit that is fooling somebody, this is for you. In terms of styling and manipulation to this unit, I mentioned that I cut off the lace. I went in on the part, this is a side part, I went in with this Ulta contour kit, and I used the usual, my Bombshell bronzer, so this shade down here, and then I just used a flat angle brush and I lightly dusted that until it was at my satisfaction to make it look more realistic. When I was trimming off the lace, I kind of sort of noticed some baby hairs, but they weren't the traditional baby hairs, and I'm like, ugh, I have to cut these off. And even the model on the information card, she has baby hairs that are gelled down from the unit, so you guys can go in and cut them out, you guys can go in and slick them down, but I think that it looks just fine without it. In terms of length of this unit, this is just below my collarbone. Collarbone's right here, and then it is just below that. And then just to give you guys a back view of the unit, you guys can see where it's hitting me. It's coming to right here. I did mention that this unit felt kind of puffy to me, like right here, and it feels better. So what I did was I went in and I took this brush. It is the Cantu Detangling brush, and or if you have a Denman brush, whatever brush that you have, it doesn't really matter. Paddle brush, whatever it is. I took that brush and I went in and I just brushed down the root, and then I followed through with my blow dryer and it helped flatten it out. Didn't leave it there too long because this is synthetic hair, so I don't want to leave heat on that for a long time. And I did notice that it kind of smoothed out some of the portions of the hair. So that's just something to keep in mind. You want to keep the texture of this unit, but I was able to achieve the look that I wanted and decrease that puffiness that's at the top of the unit. In terms of shedding, I only got maybe 5 to 10 strands when I was brushing this out and blow drying it, so that's really good. Not too much to, you know, mention. It's really not even worth mentioning, but as always with these, you know, with these videos, I want to tell you guys like what to expect in terms of shedding. In terms of the fit of the cap, this is definitely big head friendly. Feels nice and snug, does not feel like it's going to slide off on my head. I haven't had to readjust or anything. It just feels like it's set in place. Didn't have to apply any type of wig glue or any type of wig adhesive. As always, I never use the adjustable straps or the combs. I feel like it puts too much tension on my edges, and I don't use them, but you are free to use them. So it feels very snug without having to adjust it or without having to, you know, apply those combs. It feels like it's gonna stay in place all day. I really like this. I think that it's just a good everyday type of unit to have. It doesn't look, you know, super like I'm going to the beach, exotic long waves. It's not like a bombshell unit. It's just very nice. Like I would wear this for job interviews. I would wear this if I don't want to do my hair. It looks pretty similar to my hair. It's shorter than my actual hair, but I really like this. It's cute. It's like girl next door, very friendly. Like I feel like I should have brown lip liner on. Like this is like I look like I'm a teenager from the 90s type of, I don't know, what am I saying? What am I talking about? I feel like I look like a teenager from the 90s. Like I need black lip liner and I need to like mo to the, E to the. Okay, that's enough. I'm done. But that is all that I have for you guys. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, definitely leave them down below. Again, this is the Boss Babe unit from Sensationnel. I'll make sure that I put all the pertinent information down in the description box below. If you guys want to see me review any type of videos, if you guys want to see any type of hair videos, whether it's protective styles, natural hairstyles, definitely put those down below. I'm going to try and get those out for you guys. I know this is my last little like kick of doing wig reviews, and then I'm gonna do some protective styling, but definitely once I take out a protective style, I can do more wig reviews. So go ahead and, you know, put those down in the description, not description, put those down in the comment section below. All right, this is getting long, so don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.